In our part 2 of Facts About Feminism, we shall review 5 types of feminism. 1. Liberal feminists. They seek to achieve gender equality through legal and institutional reforms, such as equal pay, reproductive rights, and anti-discrimination laws. 2. Radical feminists. This video is sponsored by Media Style Concept, a sure plug for your seamless hybrid meeting and event streaming services. They offer an extensive portfolio of services including video production, photography, design, and print media. Here are links to their handles. A representative is waiting to speak with you. They believe that patriarchy is the root cause of gender inequality and seek to dismantle it by creating a female-centered society that challenges traditional gender roles, norms, and expectations.
If you were making $100K a year, how much would you expect your man to make?
Equal or more.
Why?
Because when I look for a partner, I look for equal. Or if it's more, I'm not complaining.
What do you think about this statement? My money is our money, her money is hers.
I agree.
Okay.
I 100% agree.
Why?
She's earning for herself. But no.
You expect a man to protect and provide for you.
Yes.
If a man is expected to provide and protect, shouldn't he have some form of authority over his woman?
No, not at all.
Why?
A relationship is 50-50.
But it's not 50-50 if his money is our money and your money is yours.
3. Black feminists. They advocate for the intersection of race and gender equality, recognizing that black women face unique forms of oppression and discrimination. 4. Intersectional feminists. They acknowledge that gender inequality intersects with other forms of oppression, such as racism, classism, ableism, and homophobia. They aim to address the intersecting forms of oppression and advocate for social justice for all marginalized groups. 5. Global feminists. They seek to address the challenges that women face globally, such as access to education, healthcare, and reproductive rights, and they work to improve the lives of women in developing countries.
Everything is a scam. The financial system, feminism, the war on masculinity. They want people to be stuck inside of the matrix, and it's sometimes too painful to even wake up to these realities. I know women, for example, who are 50, 60 years old and have never had any children, never been married. Why? Because society told them that building their career was gonna make them happy. This is actually one of the biggest crimes against humanity because they never reproduced, because they just dedicated their lives to their career, and it's the saddest thing. Feminism is really one of the greatest crimes against humanity.
What type of feminist are you? We will be glad to have your thoughts in the comment section. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notifications when we drop more educative and fun videos.